everyone, so today I have got a exciting video. I have got an advent calendar that was a little bit of a shock to me. It was a shock when I seen it, and then I just had to get it. So this advent calendar actually is £60, but if you have a Nectar card, you can get it for £30, and you can get a Nectar card for free. Yeah, this is a Sainsbury'S advent calendar. So basically this advent calendar is £30. £30 is how much I paid for it. You can get it with your weekly food shopping. I got it like as a food shopping delivery, and it came the same day, which is like actually crazy. I ordered it on the morning, it came the same day. I'm going to try and get this uploaded as soon as possible for you, because I know I'm a bit like late at getting videos up, but I'm going to try and get this one up as soon as possible for you, because I think this is going to be a good one. So like I say, if you have a Nectar card, it's £30. You can even apply for a Nectar card. It's dead simple. So this costs £30 for 24-day advent calendar. So basically this advent calendar works out at £1.25 a day. £1.25 a day. So really budget friendly. That's at the £30 mark, which I think everyone will be getting it for £30. It's just like the Marks and Spencer's, how everyone buys this thing to get the Marks and Spencer's advent calendar at that price. But anyways, we're going to unbox it, and anyways, we want day number 1, which is here. So it's a box design, so that's canny. Day number 1 feels very light. We have got a Real Techniques sponge, off to a good start. It's a Miracle Concealer sponge, so this is a little bit smaller and it's more designed for concealer. I think that's fab. I've never seen this sponge. It's a light to medium coverage one. That's a good first day. Day number 2, which I don't know whether you can see, but it's a massive one here. I'm guessing a face mask just by the sheer size of it. Yes, I think I'm right. It is from Simple. It is the Rich Moisture Sheet Mask, kind to skin. This is what it looks like here. You can't go wrong. I mean, I think you pay about £152 for a Simple face mask. So, yeah, and nice brand. I like Simple as a brand, so happy with that day. It is here. I'm guessing a nail polish. We have got an OPI nail polish. I mean, it's only a mini, but wow. I like a little OPI nail polish and something so cheap as this. It is in the shade Esmante, I think. This is what it looks like here. It's really quite pretty. It's like a peach but shimmer. Really quite pretty. That is day 3. We want day number 4, which is up here. Oh, so day number 4 is a 50ml simple refreshing facial wash. Just like an everyday classic, something we all need and use. I think it's fab, good for traveling because it's just nice size, and it is a good face wash, you know. And it is face. I'm happy with that day. That's 4. We want day number 5, which is here. We have got something from Q+A. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Daily Moisturizer. It says this molecule is a moisture binding ingredient that helps keep skin plump and hydrated. That's hyaluronic acid. And it says apply evenly to clean skin. Use morning and night as required. And it's a 75ml. That's good, isn't it? I'm sure this brand, I know it's not the most expensive, but I know it's not like really cheap. Yeah, so that's a good day too. That's day 5. We want day number 6. Day number 6 is down here. This is a heavy one. We have got something from Nivea. We have got the Double Effect Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. I love the Nivea Micellar Water. I've actually never tried the Double Effect one, but my favourite micellar water is actually Nivea. Out of all the micellar waters I've tried, Nivea is my favourite one. So I'm excited to try this one as well, because I have got some mascaras at the minute that are quite hard to like get off. So yeah, I like that. Day number 7, which is up here. We have got a Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. I feel like you should always get at least a lip balm in an advent calendar for the time it is. I'm glad it's Nivea, and I'm glad it's cherry as well. So that's a good staple brand. I like that. At 7. On day number 8, which is here. One of my favourite sheet masks. Well, it is one of my, is it? I think this is my favourite sheet mask. It is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm Sheet Mask. For a full face sheet mask, this is definitely one of my favourites for sure, if not my favourite. I love this. I've raved about this so many times. This has actually went up a little bit in price too, so I'm happy to have that in my life. So that's day number 8. Day number 9, which is here, is a heavier one again. We have got a Nivea Replenishing Soft Moisturising Cream. It's face, body and hands, and it offers 48 hydration for soft skin. I do quite like Nivea creams. I'm not sure if I've tried this cream. I'm really funny about creams in general and anyways, but I know Nivea is a cream that I can use normally. So yeah, good little day. 70ml, good size, very practical day, like very safe, but I mean, it's a product most, like 99% of people would use, I feel like. So that's day number 9. And day number 10 is here. Another heavy day. We have got a CeraVe. Oh, so this is the moisturising cream. I don't know whether I said that right. For dry to very dry skin. Moisturising helps restore the protective skin barrier of the face and body with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and it's fragrance free. I'm really quite excited about this. I'm going to have to look into this, see if you can actually use this on your hands as well, because it says face and body, because honestly my hands are so dry, and this is fragrance free, and I've heard so many good things about this brand just in general. So that's day number 10. We went to day number 11, which is here, skinny day. We have got another Q&A item. It is the Caffeine Eye Serum. I feel like I need that in my life. I feel like maybe I might already own it. It says help to reduce puffiness, tone the skin and brighten dark circles, and it is 15ml, so I feel like that's full size. I feel like we're getting really quite good days, to be honest. That's day number 11. We want day number 12. Yeah. We have got another cream. So we've had like 4 creams in a row. So that's kind of a ooh. But we have got another. This is a hand cream. So even though we've had another cream, it's a different type of cream. It is the Nivea Intense Moisture hand cream. It's got natural almond oil and shea butter. So I'm going to look this up because I feel like this sounds like it might do wonders for my hands. Honestly, anything for my hands at the minute. They're so yeah, so very happy with that. Once I've used up my L'Occitane hand cream, I will definitely be trying some of these. That is day number 12. And day number 13, which is here, we have got the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisture Deep Treatment. Oh, this is 75ml. It's a good little size. Can't complain, can you? Oh, that smells lovely. That smells really nice. This is what it looks like there. I don't know if I've ever used Aussie products. I have. It's been a long time ago. Quite excited about that one. So that was day number 13. And day number 14, which is here. This is one of the ones that's hard to get out. 14. Oh, we have got the Elet Stronghold Hairspray. I love getting a little bit of hairspray dry shampoo. It's just something different than, like, say, serums and things like that. But I do like these. Are practical products. So, yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's the Elet Firm Hold one. Disappears at a stroke of a brush. So, don't brush it out then. Yeah, happy with that. Good little travel size. Good enough size for you to use. That's, like, the perfect size hairspray for me. So, that was 14. We want 15, which is up here. We have got the Aussie Moist Shampoo. So I'm liking that we're getting like a shampoo to go with the treatment. Yeah, this is another good little size. It's a 90ml size. And let's have a smell. It smells just as nice. That's so nice. Very happy with that. Yeah, that's day number 15. I feel like we're all kitted out. We don't need any creams, don't need shampoos. This is like with December, shampoo, creams, everything. That's 15. 16, we went to here. We have got another cream, but this is just like the Nivea original cream, but in a squeezy tube. Instead of like the metal tub you used to get. I love like how like the packaging is just like Nivea. Yeah, but I feel like we're getting a bit cream heavy now. That's 16. We want 17, which is down here. Heavy again. We've got another Q&A, so you're basically getting a Q&A, Q plus A skincare regime. Basically, we've got the hyaluronic acid facial serum. This molecule is a moisture building ingredient that helps keep skin plump and hydrated, and this is what it looks like here. I think that's fab. I'm loving that. We're getting like a little skincare regime. That's 17. We want 18, which is down here. We're getting another little nail polish, another OPI one, by the way, and I honestly don't know what the shade is, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, very cute. I mean, you can't complain about OPI, even if it's a tiny little size, because I mean, I can't remember the last time I used a full nail polish up. So yeah, very happy with that. Love a little bit of nail polish. That's 18. We want 19, just here. We have got another cream out here. We've got a Nivea Refreshing Day Cream. It's got SPF 15 in, and it's for normal skin. But you know what? It's a practical everyday product, but I do feel like we're getting a bit cream heavy. But at the price, that's 19. We want day number 20, which is here. What have we got? Oh, I like this day. This day I really like. This is a Tangle Teaser Detangling Mini Hair Brush. It's for straight and curly hair, so it will work for me. I really like this. Like, normally when I get things like this, I give it to my niece, but I think I'm going to keep this for myself. I was going to try and open it out. I think I'm going to keep this for myself. I really do. For once, I'm going to keep something for myself, and I think that is for me. So cute. One of my favourite days. That was day number 20. We went day number 21, which is up here. Oh, a very practical product. Not something I buy a lot of, but I do once in a blue moon buy these. And to be honest, I'm glad that I've got like a little packet, because always practical to have in the cupboard, in my opinion. And it is the Simple Kind of Skin Moisture wipes. They're just a little mini pack. I'm trying to say you get 7 wipes, so good for like traveling. I think that's a good little day, to be honest. Not the biggest like advocate for wipes, but I'm sure they say they're biodegradable. Yep, biodegradable, so that's a bonus if you are going to buy wipes. At least they're biodegradable. So that's 21. I like that day. Very practical. I feel like this whole calendar has been quite practical. 21, 22. Yeah. We have got, oh, I'm quite excited about this. We have got the TRESemmé La Mer Shine Finishing Oil. Ultra Gloss Salon Finish Oil. 75ml, so good size again. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I love a hair oil. I really love a hair oil, and I love the smell of TRESemmé products. It's been ages since I used something from TRESemmé. I'm sure it has. I have so much stuff, like half open things. Oh, that smells beautiful. Like, absolutely beautiful. So happy I got that. So happy I've got that. Really like that day. Practical, another practical day, but a nice item to get. Like, I feel like sometimes some advent calendars kind of miss the trick on certain items, and that I'm happy with. So that's 22. And you know, a lot of these products are things you don't see in a lot of beauty subscriptions and all, so it's not stuff like you've got multiples of. Yeah, so 22. We're in 23, which is up here, so the day before our last day, because this is only a 24, which is a shame. We have got a heavy day. Oh, what's this? Oh my god, it's so cute. It is the Munday Moisture Shampoo. It's only a little mini. It's only 50ml. I hope we get the conditioner. So we have like one of each. Oh my god, I love that. That is like the cutest thing ever. Yeah, I love that. Even if I don't get the matching conditioner, I love that because it's just so cute. We want 24, which is here. And we have got, yes, oh, is it Oh, it's not what I thought it was. I thought it was the one for your eyes. The one I've been wanting to try is from this range, but the one with the for your eyes, I want to try it so much. This is actually the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, but I want to try the eye one too, but I'm happy about this too. I've heard so many good things about this L'Oreal Revitalift line, like product line in this packaging. So yeah, love that. I am a bit sad that we didn't get a matching conditioner to go with our Munday shampoo, but I mean, that is the cutest little bottle of shampoo that I've ever seen in my life. So that is the Sainsbury'S Advent Calendar unboxed, and I'm not going to lie, I think for £30 this is an absolute bargain, like an absolute steal. It's one of the better Advent Calendars I've unboxed. It's definitely not makeup heavy. I don't think we had one bit of makeup apart from the lip balm. It's skincare, hair care, body care heavy, but I really liked it. I liked the brands in it. I did feel like we were getting a bit body cream heavy, but to be honest, for the price this is and the other products, I feel like it just makes up for it in any way. So I'm so happy. I like that we've gotten like brands that we don't get in like beauty boxes all the time. I like that. I like that we're getting simple. Nivea, TRESemmé, the Munday, the Aussie. It's stuff we don't always see. Like, I feel like a lot of my hair's doing my head in, sorry. I feel like we see a lot of Philip Lindsay, a lot of Pixie. Mind you, I love getting Pixie. I feel like we see a lot like Percy and Reed. I feel like we see a lot of the same brands, and I like that this isn't like that. And that was one of the things I loved about the Notino Advent Calendar last year. That was one of my favourite Advent Calendars last year. It was like you didn't see the same things that we see all the time. So I think for £30, definitely a bargain. £60 I wouldn't say so, but who is going to be getting this at £60? Everyone's going to be signing up for the Nectar card if they don't own one already, which I think nearly everyone does. So yeah, I'm going to link this down below because I definitely think this will sell fast. I'm going to try and get this up for you guys as fast as possible, but I think it's a good one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I'm so behind on all my videos, but I hope you enjoyed it. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one.